Have you ever wondered why some people stick to their goals while others give up halfway? What if I told you the secret isn't about setting bigger goals, but about something far deeper? In Chapter 2 of Atomic Habits by James Clear, we uncover a groundbreaking truth. Your habits shape your identity, and your identity shapes your habits. Sounds powerful, right? Let's dive in. Here's the problem. Most of us focus on outcomes. We set goals like losing weight, earning more money, or becoming more productive. These are what James Clear calls outcome-based habits. But there's a better way. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, focus on who you want to become. This is called identity-based habits. Imagine this. Instead of saying, I want to lose 10 pounds, say, I am a healthy and fit person. It's subtle but powerful. When your actions align with the type of person you believe you are, change becomes effortless. Clear explains that behavior change happens in 3 layers. 1. Outcomes, what you get, like achieving a specific goal. 2. Processes, what you do, the habits and routines you follow. 3. Identity, what you believe, the type of person you see yourself as. Now, most people start with the first layer, outcomes, but real lasting change begins with identity. If you want to be a writer, don't just set a goal to write a book. Start believing, I am a writer. Here's the genius part. Your habits are like votes for the person you want to become. Every time you go to the gym, you're casting a vote for being a healthy person. Every time you study a chapter, you're voting for being a knowledgeable student. The more you repeat a habit, the stronger your identity becomes. But here's the catch. It works both ways. Bad habits also cast votes. Votes for the identity you don't want. Skip the gym too often, and you reinforce the belief, I'm lazy. This feedback loop between habits and identity is the foundation of behavior change. Did you notice the difference in those 2 responses? One person is focused on the outcome, quitting smoking. The other, they've embraced the identity of a non-smoker. This small shift in language reflects a massive change in mindset. When you see yourself as the type of person you aspire to be, your actions naturally follow. You're no longer forcing habits, you're simply acting like the person you believe you are. The beauty of identity-based habits is that they don't require massive changes overnight. Start small. If you want to be a fit person, commit to walking for 5 minutes a day. If you want to be a writer, start with 1 paragraph. Each small action is a step closer to proving to yourself that you are that person. And over time, these small actions add up to big identity shifts. Now, how can you apply this to your own life? Here are the key steps. 1. Decide who you want to be. Write down your desired identity. For example, I am a disciplined person, or I am a creative thinker. 2. Start small. Pick 1 habit that aligns with that identity and make it so small it's impossible to fail. 3. Focus on the process. Don't obsess over the results. Instead, commit to the daily habits that reinforce your identity. 4. Celebrate every vote. Acknowledge each small action as proof that you're becoming the person you want to be. Conclusion. Your identity is not fixed. It's shaped by your habits, and every small action you take is a step toward becoming the person you aspire to be. As James Clear says, every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. So who do you want to be? And what habits will you start today to prove it to yourself? Remember, change doesn't start with goals. It starts with identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Atomic Habits. See you in the next chapter.